afternoon. Fucking hell! Look who it fucking isn't! It's fucking... There's an artist taxi driver in the back of my fucking car! You're an artist taxi driver?
Cool.
I thought you'd gone away for 2 weeks, mate.
I thought I'd come back for a bit.
Can you fucking believe it? The artist taxi driver!
My fans were missing me.
Oh, they definitely are, mate. You know, somebody else is having to do the bloody news. Everybody's missing you.
Well, hopefully they're doing a good job, whoever it is.
Oh, yeah. Well, they're trying anyway. Not very good at it, but they're all right. We all love you, Chunky Mark. I want to ask you a couple of questions, mate. Thought you'd got a one-way ticket to Guantanamo Bay.
Well, they tried to send me there, but I escaped.
Oh, good. Good. So, what are you up to over the next few days? Enjoying life with your kids and family?
Yeah, sun, beach.
Yeah.
Beer.
Lovely.
Little bit sex.
Are you going to make a film when you come back, Chunky Mark?
Thinking about it, yeah.
Yeah, going to interview the Queen, politicians and stuff?
They all deserve
They need to be asked a few
good
questions.
grilling.
They need to be asked a few questions, don't they, mate?
They do.
Right. Now, fuck off. Get out of my car. Go and enjoy your fucking holiday.